Hello kids, welcome to Brainbox Kids. In this video we will learn about name of months in a year. And we will play a trivia game. The goal of this game is to test your knowledge about the months of the year. By answering 10 questions, you are ready to dive into the world of time and seasons. Let's begin. Let's learn first. January. February. March. April. May. June. July. August. September. October. November and December. So kids, there are 12 months in a year and 365 days in a year. And sometimes in every leap year, it's 366 days. Kids, let's play a game. Can you tell me what is the first month of the year? Yes, it's January. Let's move to the next question. How many days are there in February? 28, 29 or 30? It's 28 and in every 4 years it's 29. Next question. What is the last month of the year? Last month of the year is December. In which month do people celebrate Halloween? Do you know? Yes, in the month of October. How many days do April, June, September and November? It's 30 days. In the month of April, June, September and November, there are 30 days. When does spring start in the northern hemisphere? Now, let's go to the park. We will learn about all the fun things we see at the park. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. This is a seesaw. Say it with me. Seesaw. It goes up and down, up and down. Let's move our hands like a seesaw. Up, down, up, down. This is a slide. Say it with me. Slide. Go up the ladder and down the slide. Let's slide together. 1, 2, 3, go! This is a rainbow bar. Say it with me. Rainbow bar. It looks like a rainbow and we can climb on it. Let's pretend to climb. 1, 2, 3, climb. This is merry-go-round. Say it with me. Merry-go-round. You Sit and spin round and round. Let's pretend to spin. Yes, this is a sandbox. Say it with me. Sandbox. We can dig, build, and play with sand. Can you make a sandcastle? This is a ball pit. Say it with me. Ball pit. It's full of soft, colorful balls. Let's pretend to jump in. This is a spring horse. Say it with me. Spring horse. It moves back and forth. Let's pretend to ride. This is dome climber. We can climb up, down, and all around. This is a tree. Say it with me. Tree. Tree gives us shade and fresh air. Look at these beautiful flowers. Say it with me. Flowers. What color do you see? Let me know in the comment box. This is a bench. Say it with me. Bench. We can sit and rest here. Let's sit and take a deep breath. Now let's play a game. I'll show you a picture and you guess the word. Ready? What is this? It starts with S. Yes, it is a seesaw. What is this? It has a round shape and hangs from a tree. Yes, it is a tire swing. Wow, you did an amazing job today. Now you know words like seesaw, slide, rainbow bar, merry-go-round, sandbox, ball pit, spring horse, flowers, bench and shade. Next time you go to the park, try to find these things and say their names. See you soon, friends. Bye. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, do subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. And stay connected with us for more fun-loving videos.